find mystery in the fire?
My thoughts are of a girl I saw in the marketplace. She was very pretty. She sought my friendship. And then, when she had it, she did not want it. Master, why can the female not be direct and open as the man can?
Is it not better that the female act as a female?
She seeks only to confuse. The truth is not within her.
Perhaps you only fail to perceive it.
I do not know that I wish to perceive it.
What is it that makes the heat? The coal or the flame?
The coal. The heat is within the coal.
What if the coal is not touched by the flame?
The heat is not felt.
Are not male and female coal and flame? If the coal does not seek to know the flame, can either fulfill its destiny?